big up. Don't know boy me name is Doya what place cool. Snowfall. Cool snowfall.
Thank you, everyone who participated in our 100 subscriber draw. Congratulations again to the winners. Check out our last video that shows who won and who the winners are. So now it's time for our 400 subscriber goal. So let's get to it. What you need to do is simply leave a comment in under any one of our videos saying, I want the money, or please give me some money. Any way you want to express that you want money. And then we will add you to the draw. But in order to actually win the prize, we need to prove that you subscribe to our channel and that you're able to collect the money. So you have access to Cash App, PayPal, some other form of digital platform that can take money, or Western Union. So I would recommend something that's digital so you don't have to give too much of your personal information to us. So, good luck, and thank you very much for supporting Mr. and Mrs. Gold's YouTube channel, M&MG. And big up to all those who have left comments in our last few videos. These are those people. Thanks again, and good luck. Everyone, welcome to Mr. and Mrs. Gold's YouTube channel, M&MG. I'm Mrs. Gold, and I just want to tell you all, thank you very much for your love and support. But before I begin this video, this is a special request from Josie. So Josie, big up. He wanted me to read some of the articles in more detail and provide more feedback. And I will definitely do that. Alkaline nabs Pandora's Reggae Now playlist cover as top prize debuts #1 on iTunes. Alkaline debuts at the top of iTunes chart with his new song Top Prize after picking up the cover of Pandora's Reggae Now playlist. Alkaline has dropped some good news that his fans are sure to love, as he announced that a new album is coming. We haven't seen much of Alkaline, but we have heard him with hits like Cree and Ocean Wave, released last year. But one thing's for sure, any prolonged absence is usually a good thing for Alka, who doesn't seem to fraternize much with the rest of dancehall. I guess I could give them a break because they say seem. But I was like, why was that necessary to put that in the article? Trust me, I'm going to be reading this shaky because it irked me. Some parts of it, but I didn't like that part. That was so irrelevant, unnecessary. They didn't need to put that in the article to state what they were stating. They could just say a man that, who has kept to himself just because he's had so many fights in the industry. The lyricist has been compared to the Great Vibes Cartel. And there has been many so-called manufactured beef started by fans of the two artists. You know what? Sorry if I'm sliding over some words, but this was such a shady article. I didn't like that part. And why are they always trying to compare Alkaline to Vibes Cartel? Alkaline is his own person. There's nobody like him. When are they going to get that right? What do you guys think? Am I over exaggerating? Do you think you could compare Alkaline to Vibes Cartel, or he's in his own world? Let me know what you think in the comments below. However, in spite of this, one thing we can agree on is and appreciating good music, and Alkaline has never failed to deliver. So, there are high hopes for this upcoming album. According to Alkaline, whose real name is Erlin Bartley, the new project has 14 tracks and is named Top Prize. He explains the motivation behind the name Top Prize represents when you win a competition, basically showcasing victory against all odds. This album is timely with the opportunities I have been given, lessons learned along the way, my personal growth, and experiences. Experience teaches wisdom, so it is only fair that I bring everything full circle. Alkaline's debut album, New Level Unlock, was released in 2016. It peaked at number 1 and spent 18 weeks on the Billboard Reggae chart. In spite of only releasing one album, his singles have also driven up inevitable numbers. ATM, released in 2020, has 23 million on YouTube. His streaming presence surpasses 30 million streams on digital streaming platforms like Spotify Canada, United States, the UK, Africa, and Germany. He also retains a strong presence on Pandora with 39 million streams, which covers both radio and app, and about 140,000 monthly listeners. On Friday, Pandora Music made the man himself, as he is often called, the cover of the new Reggae Now playlist, as he shared that album is among the lineup. And you can see Alkaline says, bless up at Pandora Music for making me the cover of the new Reggae Now playlist. Hashtag Top Prize. Hashtag Top Prize album. You guys make sure you use those hashtags. He also has a preview of Apple Music released on Friday. The song that's featured is called Single and starts with the popular Jamaican phrase, "Wanna dead and nadashwe." Meanwhile, the female Detta fans are also loving the artist's new look, which shows him sporting natural hair plaited into sections and also a neatly lined beard. Really? I think the author is looking too close to this. Like, seriously, how are you studying the man so much? Let me know what you guys think. I give this article overall a 7 out of 10. Just FYI, we liked his beard when it wasn't quote unquote neatly lined. I like how they did bring statistics to the article. So, that's something that a lot of people fail to do, is show the facts associated with Alkaline. So I give them props for that. But I didn't like the mention of Vibes Cartel and so forth. So let me know what you liked about the article and what you didn't like about the article, or what they could have added to the article. So let's read the next article. It's very short because it's on British Links, and they actually end up adding their older article at the end of it afterwards, which I showed the other day in the other video. If you haven't seen the other video, take a look at it. Cardi B endorses Alkaline to her 82 million fans after his album announcement. And this was dated yesterday, February 14th, 2021. So, British Links continues the article and says the following. Longtime Alkaline supporter Cardi B was sighted once again vibing to the Vendetta boss, this time around with her husband Offset in the Caribbean. Vendetta fans went ballistic after Cardi uploaded series of videos for her 82 million Instagram followers, which showed her and her husband Offset enjoying the 2014 track Move Mountains, was produced by Not Nice. Bodak Yellow rapper lip-synced the saucy lyrics to the Alkaline hit and gave her patented cheeky laugh at the end of the video, while Offset later showed off his dancing skills. And you guys can see that video on my channel. So that was a cool little short article from British Links. Like I said before, they end up just mentioning the old article afterwards. But definitely support these articles. Let them know we appreciate it, to keep writing about Alkaline, and we like it so much. Let me know what you think about that article and them highlighting Cardi B. Talking about Cardi B, she was at it again, guys. This time she was vibing to Movado. Girl, we love it. Keep it going. Anyhow, watch her, get her groove on, and thank you again for watching Mr. and Mrs. Gold's channel. I hope you like this review on the article. Bless. Subscribe, hit the notification bell to be updated with new videos, share, and like. Thanks.